Once upon a time, deep, deep in a magical forest, lived a very special animal named Mandrill. This was no ordinary forest. It was a place where tall, green trees touched the sky, and sunshine peeked through the leaves, making everything glow. Mandrill was amazing to look at. Imagine a big monkey, but even more colorful than a rainbow. Mandrill had a big, bright red nose like a juicy strawberry. On each side of his nose, he had two long blue stripes. They looked like painted racing stripes on his face. His chin had a sunny yellow beard, and his cheeks were plump and rosy. His fur was a mix of dark brown and green on his back and a light creamy yellow on his tummy. He was a big monkey, almost as tall as a little grown-up when he stood up. Let's count Mandrill's parts. He had two strong legs to stand on and two strong arms to swing with. That's 4 limbs, just like us. He had 2 friendly ears to hear all the sounds of the forest and 2 bright, sparkling eyes to see everything around him. He had 1 big, amazing red nose. Mandrill loved to live in the forest. He lived high up in the trees where it was safe and cozy. He never lived in the ocean, no, and he never lived on a farm with cows and pigs. His home was the warm, green, amazing forest in a faraway land called Africa. What did Mandrill eat? Oh, he was a very healthy eater. He munched on juicy fruits that grew on the trees. He loved yummy nuts and crisp seeds. Sometimes he would find delicious insects like crunchy beetles and even little green frogs. He was not a picky eater. He ate what the forest gave him. How did Mandrill move? He was a super mover. He loved to walk on all 4 legs like a speedy explorer. But he could also climb up and down the tallest trees using his strong hands and feet. He would swing from branch to branch with such grace, like a forest gymnast. He was very fast on the ground and super quick in the trees. He did not fly, and he did not swim like a fish. He walked and climbed and swung. What sounds did Mandrill make? He had a special language all his own. Sometimes he would make a soft grumble, especially when he was looking for food. Other times, he would make a loud bark, like a dog, to tell his friends something important. And when he was feeling happy and playful, he would chatter and chitter with his Mandrill family. Here are some fun facts about Mandrill. Did you know that the male Mandrill, the daddy Mandrill, is even more colorful than the mommy Mandrill? His red nose and blue stripes are extra bright. Mandrills live in big groups, like a super-duper family. They are called troops. A troop can have hundreds of mandrills all living and playing together. And guess what? Mandrills have big, comfy cheek pouches inside their mouths, just like little pockets. They use these pouches to store food they find so they can eat it later. It's like having a snack drawer in their face. Mandrill was a wonderful, colorful, amazing animal who lived in the magical forest. He showed us that nature is full of surprises and beauty, and every animal, no matter how colorful or unique, has a special place in the world. The end.